All right, welcome again to Always Curious. I have a very special guest today. Do you want to introduce yourself, Maddie?
I'm Maddie,
And you're
and
my granddaughter.
yes.
Anything else?
Um, no.
Okay. All right, well, let's get started. The first thing I want to do, sort of, um, is ask you about this. So this is the cover to our first book, Lifting Up the Enigma Shroud from Quantum Mathematics. And what do you like most about this book cover?
Definitely the drawing at the bottom.
What's the drawing of?
It is of electrons changing orbitals.
Well, what's the other thing though?
The Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, and who drew that?
Me.
Oh. And tell me a little bit about the electrons changing orbitals.
Well, depending on which orbital in and them falling downward, they reflect light.
They send off light, right?
Mhm.
Yep. And do you see that light anywhere on the picture?
At the bottom.
Yeah,
Yes.
those are the different lights coming from the electrons falling from one orbital to another, right? And so you were in what grade when you drew this picture?
Seventh grade.
Wow. And you already knew about electron orbitals and all that stuff. Who taught you that?
You.
Oh. And then tell me about this picture. What are you looking at here?
Here I was looking at the orbitals and the of a hydrogen atom reflecting their light.
Yeah, yeah. And this was seventh or eighth grade?
Seventh.
Seventh grade again. All right. So when we talked about the electrons being in orbitals, what question did you ask?
I asked, how do they know where to be?
Yes. And my answer was,
We don't know.
we don't know. And that's the Maddy problem, right?
Yes.
The Maddy problem is how do the electrons know they're supposed to be in these orbitals?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you find that kind of question in your science today?
I mean, with everything and every science, every model that we have.
Yeah, yeah. And so the Maddy problem, if I go back to here, the Maddy problem is discussed in this book, and in particular in the last chapter, and we're still waiting for an answer, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think we'll ever find it?
Who knows? Maybe in a long time in the future.
Okay, well, this was perfect. This is we try to keep things really short on our video, so this was a beautiful little video, Maddie.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Maybe we'll do it again.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Bye.